Kalendi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video mga Kalendi, tayo ay may gala. Isang field trip gala kasama ang ADSD, Academia de Santo Domingo, Calumpit, Bulacan. At tayo ay pupunta ng Batangas para mag-team building outdoor activity sa isang pinakakilalang resort noon. Walang iba kundi ang Shercon Resort. At ito na nga, papasok na kami sa kanilang parking area. So everyone mga ka-Dendi, samahan niyo ako to enjoy the beautiful day and nature here in Shercon Resort. Let's go! Shercon Resort is located here in San Sebastian, Mataas na Kahoy, Batangas. At talaga naman napakaganda dito sa resort na to. Nakaka-relax. Very green. Ang sarap sa mata. Mahangin at maaliwalas dahil sa mga halaman at puno. Nature na nature. Talagang mapapalapit ka sa nature. These team building outdoor activities of the students and teachers of Academia de Santo Domingo is serviced by NST Travel and Tours, headed by Mr. Numeriano Tomas, and their office is located in Gaya-Gaya, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. And now, all the participants, students and teachers are walking going to their holding area. Hindi naman kita sa kanilang mga mukha ang excitement, diba? Shercon Resort has 6 swimming pool areas, 11 pocket pools, and an hidden pool. At ang aming holding area ay malapit sa kids swimming pool. Kaya naman talagang makaka-relax and chill vibes lang. So naman tumalon sa sobrang init, summer vibes! And now, the orientation and preparation for the activities is starting. And syempre, groupings time! And for their first activity is the tower activity, wherein dito po napapaloob ang zip lining at rappelling. Safety first! Here in Shercon Resort, it features its 90 feet above the ground zip line. And 2 rounds siya mga Kalendi. Hindi lang papunta, kundi may pabalik. Siguradong may babalikan. Oy, hugot! Next is rappelling. The tower has approximately 90 meters high, kaya talagang makakonquer yung fear natin sa heights. Kaya sa mga feeling Spider-Man or gustong maging si Spider-Man, here is your chance! Second activity is the land activity. Wherein dito, meron tayong mga group games for them to test their group efforts. And more important is cooperation. For their first game, it is the hula hoop relay or hoops relay. Paunahan lang sa pagpasa ng hula hoop, simula sa unang member hanggang sa last member ng pila. Hanggang pabalik ulit sa pinakaunahan ng pila. Sa pinakamabilis na makapagpasa ng hula hoops ay siya ang winner. Second game is the ring toss. Pataasan na ng points. Marami pa tayong mga games na nakapila kaya lang hindi na natin na-i-video dahil nalobat na ang ating cellphone. Next activity is the CPR and first aid training. Ito, sure ako very knowledgeable at kinakailangan alam ng bawat isa. Next activity is the water activity. And this activity is all about the water survival.
Meron ako. Okay, imagine meron akong bed. Okay, picture nose, hold your breath. And then, one bird. Ang jump natin.
At dito talaga sila super excited. Kasi nga, gusto na nila magtampisaw sa tubig at mag-swimming. And here are some of the amenities, facilities na mayroon dito sa Sheraton Resort. Katulad na ng kanilang mini golf course. At meron din silang mini go-kart. At ito naman ang kanilang human maze na talagang matcha-challenge ka para maka-exit sa kabilang side. Meron din silang replika ng hagdan-hagdang palayan na ang katapat naman ay ang kanilang 11 pocket pools.
Signed by our Managing Director, Joanna Micatana. So palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili.
And they are done with their activities. The land activity, tower activity, CPR and first aid training, and the water activity. And now, it's time for their awarding ceremony. everyone mga Kalendy, that's it for this video. Ang ating field trip gala dito sa Sheraton Resort, Mataas na Kahoy, Batangas. So, everyone mga Kalendy, please like and share this video. And please comment na rin para maganda ang ating paniningan. At sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell para manotify ko kayo on my next vlog. So, everyone mga Kalendy, this is Eloy. Bye-bye!